All right, listen, so we're having conversations right now about their recent tour around the world. Guys, where were you touring as Batuk?
In China, South Korea.
You guys were in Seoul, right?
Yeah, we were in Seoul, yes. And in Europe as well, yeah.
And how are fans across the world responding to the new sound, the new flavor of Batuk?
They're loving it. They're loving it. Super energetic, super loving. Yeah, it's been a good vibe.
Yeah. Does music come easily to you guys? Because it seems like you're such good friends and you're on like the same kind of level that you might just be sitting in a studio and then somebody goes, boom, 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 boom.
Ow. It is.
And the next thing is just like,
it is. The synergy has to be, you know, good.
Yeah.
And yeah, our collaboration is very organic, very natural. So
beautiful stuff. So where can people catch you performing live next?
We're playing at the Tennis Club on Friday. It's our album launch party in Johannesburg.
Yeah.
Tennis Club in Bertram's.
Yes.
After that, get the album. All digital platforms, Gussie Royalty by Batuk.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent
and on
stuff.
social media, we are Batuk, BATUK, Musica.
Oh, okay,
Hit
cool.
us up.
Music videos for the new tracks, any planned
Yes.
right now?
Yes.
Next week.
There's an exciting video coming out next week called Deep Ocean.
Excellent stuff. All right, the last song is called
Recipe.
Recipe.
The
Can
recipe.
let's get that recipe right now, shall we? Come on. It's all good.
So I'm keeping our ties. This is the recipe for the day, recipe for the week, recipe for life.
Expresso. You got the recipe.
Yes.
Hey, you got the
Recipe.
ganja.
Opa.
The recipe for love, the recipe for good vibes, the recipe for a beautiful rest of the week.
Sometimes it's just in here. You just gotta be positive here, and that's the recipe for everything. Everything.
At home, say, the recipe is me. Come on.
The best way to ecstasy is let it be. The recipe is me. The best of me. The recipe is me. Is me. Is me. Is me. Is me. This recipe is. Put me on, baby, let me know. Don't front, don't act to put on a show. I know you inside out for sure. Your moves, your style, I know your flow. When I'm feeling low, baby, hold me tight. Baby, lift me up.
My ecstasy, baby, lift me up, protecting me.
The recipe, the recipe, the recipe, the recipe, the recipe, the recipe, the recipe. When I'm low, don't let go. Lift me up, heart and soul. When I'm low, don't let go. Lift me up. The recipe is. I'm on my win like recipe. Trying to feel right, stop stressing me. Summer so split, so flexible. Don't try stop what's meant to be. I keep my love right next to me. Se me frente también mi amor aquí. My destiny. The recipe is me.
Thank you very much for rocking with us this beautiful morning. Big shout out to Expresso!
The recipe, the recipe, the recipe is me. Is me. The recipe is me. Is let it be. The recipe is me. Yes, yes. The recipe is
Lift me up, baby, let me know. Don't front, don't act to put on the show. I know you inside out for sure. Your moves, your style, I know your flow. When I'm feeling low, baby, lift me up. Don't let me go. My ecstasy, baby, lift me up, protecting me.
what a way to start the day. on the show.